Let's work on forming the ah sound. The tip of your tongue is relaxed and touching behind the lower front teeth. Keep your lips relaxed. Drop your jaw down low. The front of your tongue is very dropped as well. Ah, ah, ah. Here's ah in the beginning of some words. Apple, after, ask. And here it is in the middle. Flap, past, happy. The ah never appears at the end of words in English. Listen to these pairs of words to hear the contrasting sounds. Dancer, denser. Pat, pet. Sand, send. Man, men. Here are some sentences that use the ah sound. Sandy was happy to ask for bananas and apples. Pat sat in the sandy Land Rover. Ah, ah, ah. Good luck.
If you want to watch more of our videos, go to www.englishcentral.com. For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel.